But the target is to represent PSM Makassar. These players have a spirit, Sirin Apache. They're going to try to do the best. Yesterday was fantastic. We travel, and today let's go to see. We're going to have making after. I think, unfortunately, we have many games on Liga 1, Indonesia League, and we enjoy to participate AFC Cup. But I think we need better preparation to prepare the trip to come to Vietnam, because if I am not player and I am tired, imagine the players. So I hope that our club in the future, if we have this opportunity again, can work better. Because when you make the tickets 11 o'clock night on the day before to depart, means that you are starting to lose the game. For two sides. First, economic. When we need to travel, the price is expensive. Second, we take too much time on the airports waiting and hotels. So the preparation yesterday, not preparation, travel. And we arrive now. I have the player that 30 minutes arrive on the airplane. So this is, unfortunately, I must share with us, because tomorrow we're going to make a game, we're going to try our best, and there are no excuses, but I think we need to share this for in the future, the club not make this mistake again, because last season we make good AFC Cup, but last season is past. Now we live the present, and if we want to enjoy the future, we need to work hard on the present. So, as you know, Vietnam is on the first position on the ranking, ASEAN, and Indonesia, 5th position. So it's big difference. We know that normally the characteristics of Vietnam players, they have speed, they are aggressive, and normally they are fighters. About this team, they are good. They have good team. I know that some players go out, but also good players come, foreign players and also local players. I have the opportunity to see the large matches. I analyze. It's our job. So tomorrow I think going to be a tough match to us. Unfortunately, we don't have all the players that we want to bring. Many situations that happen, but it's opportunity for the players that come to show what they can give to the team, and let's see. On Indonesia also, we lose 2 players for national teams, under 17 and also Asian games that are making now on China. But they are not here. Also other players are not here. But the players that are here, I know that gonna give the best to help the team and to represent not just PSM Makassar but also Indonesia.
Ya, Assalamualaikum, selamat malam. Untuk pertanyaannya, yang kami tahu, saya pribadi yang nomor 10, strikernya itu bagus, yang striker, kemudian ada pemain baru nomor 9, kemudian center backnya nomor 4, kemudian ada gelandangnya itu nomor 66, cukup bagus dan badannya besar.
Depending with the players and the conditions that the club can give to us. So if we want a big target, the conditions must be good. And when I say conditions, I'm not speaking about money. I'm speaking the players must sleep well. The travel must be booked on time. Cannot be on the day before we depart at night. But the target is to represent PSM Makassar. These players have a spirit, Sirin Apache. They're going to try to do the best. We know that in this moment, unfortunately, we are already losing the game because our players arrive now tired. But this team already showed last season that sometimes, on the difficult times, come strong men. And I hope that tomorrow we can be a strong man with a strong team, because opponent team is very strong, and just like this we can have a chance to make a good result here.
Coaches,